hit that last and final target. And I'd mentioned in my previous video off that primary neckline off this classic head and shoulder looking top here would provide an objective entry short trade setup. And we got two bounces. We had that back test off that neckline where I had mentioned as a objective entry short, had a counter trend rally, and had another back test of that primary neckline trend line there. And so far that was good for a 37.77% drop there, and really to the bullseye is where the bulls started to step in right at that 1711 price support. That's when we'll zoom in here. This is the daily candle representing a day here. We'll zoom in right here to the 15-minute chart here, and you could tell, I mean, they just came in straight to the button. The dip buyers came in, and if you're an active and or day trader, you could have took it for a quick 9% scalp to the upside. And you know, this looks like it was some after hour action here, but again, here we go. I mean, perfect as a trade setup as you can potentially get here. We still got the MACD and oscillators sunk below its zero line, huge negative divergences that just continue to play out. And again, beautiful play off to that 1711. And my advice is just take the money and run, cover profits here. Again, you buy the rip, you sell the dip. This is the perfect moment to sell. Get out of your position, and unless you have some sort of really great data and or decay on some pretty good leap contracts, then you know, you could maybe hold out and wait for a break of that zero line. And I had mentioned you know, the huge break below that 23.6 retracement was such a huge key vital part of this trade because of the velocity of how quick every time we broke this 23.6 retracement level came. And I had mentioned that, and it's just always a great shorting op to use off that 23.6 fibs. But yeah, that's really all I have here. If you want to hold out, maybe we consolidate for a little while, but I believe a key takeout off that zero retracement fibs would probably come in with a huge wave of selling and cause a lot of stops and or margin calls to go off here with the huge air pocket in between that we have here. And that next target I'd suspect would come down to that 1021 price support if we do get it. But for now, I'm just going to collect profit here and wait for a consolidation period maybe, and start scaling in on a pretty key break below that 1711 coinciding with that 0% fibs there. Then I'll start to potentially make a move, and I believe that a sell signal will be enacted once we break down these key levels. And I'll add this right here for that key 0 fibs here, which is at 60. I call it 1611 here. So again, small reactions, very minor support. I believe if it goes to get tested, it'll probably be taken out, and then it'll be time to scale in. And again, huge whopper of an air pocket there for another 34% if we do get it down to that 1021 price support. So we'll see. We'll wait for this to play out, see if it does. Maybe we don't. Maybe dip buyer step in, start to break above its 50-day moving average, put in a buy signal right above that 21.99 level, and maybe we go up to retest some of those highs. But as for now, we'll wait for consolidation period and or momentum indicators to give us our next judge of response.